There's no question as to why the Chinese want to take the whole country over.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marcos. I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel. For those who are watching this video for the first time, please remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share. Now, the Jamaicans were complaining that the Chinese have dominated their country. They were complaining that the Chinese are taking over their country. Now, the Prime Minister had to say something about that, and I have a video of him. So let's watch that video and I'll be back with more comments.
I want to take this opportunity to dispel a quite unfortunate perception that is carried by some with interest that somehow Jamaica is being overrun by Chinese interests. It may shock you to know that even with this loan from China, Jamaica's debt to China is approximately 4.5% of our total debt. What we owe to China is minuscule relative to what we owe to the rest of the world and international agencies. So unlike those who would want to create a false impression about Jamaica and our international development relationship with China, it is false. Jamaica has taken a strategic approach to develop its infrastructure, and we partner with those who want to help us, and we are willing to partner with all countries in the world that come genuinely to assist our development.
Welcome back guys. Now there's a video I did about the Jamaicans. You saw them, they were on a strike. They claimed that they were being given low salaries. They were working for long hours. They don't even have time for their families. So they went on a strike. They were not working on that day. Now they were pleading the government to hear them because they wanted the Chinese out of their country because of how the Chinese were mistreating them. Now, in that video, the Prime Minister has spoken and he is ready to work with any investor in his country. So it is kind of difficult here because in his opinion, he thinks that the investors are good for his country. Now, the people are not okay with that because most of the investors in his countries are now the Chinese who are now treating his people badly. Now, in his views, he's saying that 4.5% of the debt he has comes from China. I think now that is the major reason why most of the Chinese are heading there, because they know the Prime Minister owes them. So this is some kind of a dilemma because the people want the Chinese out of their country. The Jamaicans, they don't want the Chinese in their country. Now the Prime Minister is ready to work with them. He's ready to work with any investor. So I don't know how the people are going to get the help they want, because if the president is willing to work with the investors and these investors now are now treating his people badly, then I don't know how help is gonna come, because the Chinese have dominated most part of Jamaica. They own the larger businesses. They are into the market, like they own everything. Now the Chinese, the Jamaicans are forced to work for them. Now these people are now underpaying them. So how will the Prime Minister solve this situation? Because he owes the Chinese, and that is the reason why most of the Chinese are there. Now they have built more companies. Now there this video, this lady claiming that they own almost everything. Let's hear this video and then I'll be back with more views.
There's no question as to why the Chinese want to take the whole country over. You understand? Everywhere we have, because
I don't believe the Chinese want to take over Jamaica though.
So what? All right, answer me this question then. What does Jamaica currently own? And if they don't own it, who does? Because they don't own sugar, they don't own their rum.
Welcome back. Now this lady claims that the Chinese even owns the sugar company in Jamaica. Now I want to see some of your views about this. I don't know what you guys have to say about this. Let me see some of your comments in the comment section. Let's interact. This Chinese Jamaican thing, how can we help? Because those are our black people. We should stand for each other because the Chinese have dominated their country. They have more businesses there. They own almost everything. Now, our people are forced to work for them. Our people are being paid badly. They work for long hours. Now, on the other hand, the Prime Minister gives room for them to invest in his country. He is ready to work with them. So, I want to hear some of your views about this. Let's help our brothers and sisters from Jamaica. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe, remember to comment, remember to share.